Have you ever noticed this? Some day you wake up and feel alive, focused and ready to move, and some days that energy disappears. What if Mandarin Chinese had a word that captures those powerful moments? Want to know which word it is? Then watch this lesson. Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi subhanallahil azim. Welcome back to Shaheda Polyglot Year. I'm your teacher, Shaheda Akter Chowdhury. Today is day 2 of our 60-day Mandarin vocabulary confident journey, where you don't memorize words, you feel them, use them, and completely own them. In today's lesson, you will learn one powerful Mandarin word, and at the end of this lesson, you will receive a small reward. Real native-style Mandarin sentences showing how this word is used naturally in daily conversations. So stay with me until the end. Today's word is energetic. In Chinese, we say 精神. Repeat after me. 精神. Now you say it. Take your time, focus on the tones. Did you try? Very good. First tone, 精, high, steady. And second tone, 神, is a rising tone. Important reminder, while English transliteration helps, focus on my pronunciation first. Mandarin is a tone-based language, so tones make all the difference. Don't worry, I will guide you every step. 精神 doesn't just mean physical strength. You can be 精神 when you feel excited about learning, your mind feels active and fresh, you want to do more, not less. Using 精神 helps people understand your motivation and mindset, not just your actions. So when you say 精神, Mandarin listeners feel your truth. This is not just a challenge. At the end of these 60 days, there will be a vocabulary assessment. To pass the assessment, review all previous lessons. Those who participate will receive a Mandarin vocabulary fluency certificate. If you want to join that assessment, put your name on the exam wish list. The link is in the bio, description, or comments, depending on the platform you are using. For those who want deeper practice, I have also created a 15-day private Mandarin vocabulary program, short focused sessions designed to build spoken confidence. Visit our website. It's for learners who want structured guidance and faster progress. Looking ahead, we are preparing an advanced Mandarin course to take you further. Here, you will learn character radicals, perfect tones, master more complex sentence structures, gain full understanding of sentence meaning and opinion. Following this journey ensures you will be ready for the advanced course as soon as it's published, so stay tuned. And if you prefer personal guidance, you can book private lessons through my website. Many students have already transformed this way. Now here is your reward. Let's see how native speakers naturally use 精神. You look so energetic today. 你今天真精神. I'm feeling quite energetic right now. 我现在挺有精神. Follow my pronunciation carefully. Transliteration is only a guide. Chinese tones are essential. Practicing them now will help you sound fluent later. That's it. One word, but now it's meaningful. Now this is your moment. Pause the video, make one sentence about yourself using 精神. Then write it in the comments. Say it out loud. Your voice builds your confidence. No matter your level, your opinion matters. If you could design your dream Mandarin course and next learning challenge, what would you want to learn? Write it in the comments. This was day 2. Tomorrow, day 3, we will explore a word that describes your situation. Follow the journey, stay consistent with Shaheda Polyglot Year, unlock your world of languages with Spy.